Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome to class 3. Today is our English class. Now dear students, you draw the proper margin lines and also mention the date and day of your lecture, and also you write down the topic of the day. Today our topic is conjunction. Conjunction is a part of speech. पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है कंजंक्शन. कंजंक्शन को हम कहते क्या हैं? कंजंक्शंस आर वर्ड दैट जॉइन टू वर्ड्स आर टू सेंटेंसेस. कंजंक्शन जो है वो वर्ड्स हैं जो कि दो लफ्ज़ों या दो जुमलों को जोड़ने के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. जैसे हम किसी सेंटेंस, किसी जुमले को जोड़ने के लिए और या किसी लफ्ज़ को जोड़ने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. यहाँ पर एक आपको एक एक्सरसाइज आपको ऐसी दी जाएगी 10 सेंटेंसेस की, जिसमें आपने कंजंक्शंस को अंडरलाइन करना है. यू कैन सी इन द सेंटेंसेस दैट जॉइंस टू वर्ड्स आर टू सेंटेंसेस which these are known as the conjunctions. You write down number 1. Amir is older than Zafar. Amir is older than Zafar. So then is the conjunction. You underline the word then. Number 2. Finish your task before you go home. Finish your task before you go home. अपना काम ख़त्म करो बेशक you go home बेशक घर जाओ. 2 and 2 make 4. 2 और 2 4 हैं. अब and is the conjunction. You underline the word and. Next one, take an umbrella when you go out. Take an umbrella, छतरी लो. When, जब. You go out, जब तुम बाहर जाओ. When is the conjunction. Next one है I saw that they were coming. मैंने देखा कि वो आ रहे थे. I shall help him if he comes to me. I shall help him, मैं उनकी मदद करूँगा. If he comes to me, जब वो मेरे पास अगर वो मेरे पास आएंगे. You will succeed if you work hard. तुम कामयाब होगे अगर तुम सख्त मेहनत करोगे. If is the conjunction. You underline the word if. She likes pizza and cake. वो पसंद करती है पिज़्ज़ा और केक. And is the conjunction. You underline the word and. Both red and yellow are attractive colors. सुर्ख और पीला जो है वो खूबसूरत रंग है. And is the conjunction. You underline the word and. Last one. I like my house although it is small. मुझे अपना घर पसंद है हत्ता कि ये छोटा है. Although is the conjunction. I repeat the sentences. Amir is older than Zafar. Then is the conjunction. You underline the word then. Next one. Finish your task before you go home. Underline the word before. Next one. 2 and 2 make 4. 2 और 2 4. And is the conjunction. You underline the word and. Take an umbrella when you go out. When is the conjunction. You underline the word when. I saw that they were coming. Underline the word that. Next one. I shall help him if he comes to me. If is the conjunction. Underline the word if. You will succeed if you work hard. If is the conjunction. Next one. She likes pizza and cake and is the. Both red and yellow are attractive colors. And is the conjunction. I like my house although it is small. Although is the conjunction. You underline the word although. At the end of this lecture, end of this work, you draw an ending line at the end of your lesson. Dear students, you write down the work neat and clean on your notebooks and write down the work properly. If you have any confusion in your work, you can contact on the school official number. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you. Take a good care of you.